trying to download Spotify, Napster, Pandora, or any app in your Android device that is not available in your country? Let's get this done! To stay updated with all the awesome tech we review, hit the subscribe button. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can download Napster, which is a US exclusive app, on your Android device. Firstly, this app does not show up in Play Store as this is not available for your country, and when you search it on Google and go to their site, it shows you the same error. For downloading such apps, you need to have a VPN app. I recommend Turbo VPN app, which is free and works with minimal ads. You can download it using link below. Using the top right button, I selected US server and now it's connecting me to it. Now being connected to US server, I will follow the same steps to visit Napster's official site. Using the top right button, I see a menu consisting of an option to download this app. Once you click on Android, you will see an option to get it on Google Play. But this is the trap. Clicking on it would take you to the App Store saying that this is not available for your country. The key here is to tap on this button continuously and open it in incognito or private tab. As I used incognito tab, this whole portion didn't get recorded, so I will just vocally direct you. You have to click on install and log in using your Google account. It will ask for your device connected with your account and download the app normally. You can see it in the notification tray that this app has started downloading. As this app is now installed, I will open it using the notification bar. Now, as you are on VPN, you can easily create your account or just log in using your Facebook account. See, this was an easy process. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll be catching you in the next one. Bye.